you've done multiplication before, right?
Mm-hmm.
With single digits and double digits. So right now, we are going to do some multiplication. I want you to put your caps on your markers, please. And I'm going to show you how to do if I have the multiplication 18, if I have the problem 18 times 6. Hold on. Caps on your markers, please. So there's a few different ways that I can find 18 times 6. One way that I can find 18 times 6 is I can go 18 times 6.
18.
And the first way that I can do it is I can multiply the ones. So what is 6 times 8? Well, if I don't know it off the top of my head, I can use my multiplication times table. Eliana, can you find 8 times 6 on my multiplication times table?
8 times 6. It's 48.
Okay, so I'm going to write 48, making sure to put my 1s in my 1s place and my 10s in my 10s place. And then I have to multiply times my 10, so I put a 0. What's 6 times 1?
6.
Melody, what's 6 times 1? I didn't hear. What is it? 6. Good. Okay, what do I have to do once I do this multiplication?
Well, what is,
Put it all together.
How do I put it together? Do I multiply it again? Do I subtract it? Oh, okay, I have to add. Can you help me?
8.
Hold on. Can you help me?
8 plus 0, that equals 0, 8.
And then the tens?
Who is E? 10.
10.
So
Okay.
it's 100.
Good.
108.
So 18 times 6 is 108.
108.
Good. 18 times 6 is 108. There's another way that I could solve this problem. 18 times 6. I could do an area model. Do you remember how to do an area model?
Yep.
18 times 6 in an area model. This is an area model. So if I want to break up 18 times 6 in an area model, I would do 10. And then how can I break up 18? 10 and
8.
10 and 8. And then do I have to break 6 into anything else, or is that good?
That's good.
That's good. So if I have 6 times 10 here, what would go in this spot?
16.
6 times 10 is 16.
60.
So what's 6 times 10?
6 times 10 is 60.
6 times 10 is 60.
just said that.
And then, Melody, we already did 6 times 8.
16.
No, I said 16 and then I
Friends?
said 16.
We are doing 6 times 8 now. What's 6 times 8? We already did it over here. Melody, what is 6 times 8?
8 and 4 times 6 is 10.
What is
There,
6
that's one.
times 8?
6 times 42. I mean 48.
6 times 8 is 48. Okay, now I have my two numbers. What do I do with these two numbers in my area model once I have them?
Put them all together.
How do I put them all together?
Add.
I have to add them. So do I add them like this?
No. Yeah, you could do that.
Okay. So what is 60 plus 48?
Okay, 6 plus 8, so that 8 and 0 is 8, and there 6 and 4 is 10, so it's 108.
108. Did we get the same answer for both
Yes.
of our problems?
Yeah.
So 18 times
A
6
little bit
is
different.
108, but a little bit different. You are correct. Okay, so now that we went over two ways, we went over the standard algorithm way, and we went over an area model to find 8 times 6 equals 108. This is a way that you can check your answer for long division. If I have the problem 108 divided by 6 equals 18, I can use Melody. If I have the problem 108 divided by 6 equals 18, I can use these problems. I can use 18 and times 6 equals 108 to see if I am correct. So I can use the divisor and the quotient to see if I am correct. Okay, let's try again. If I have the problem 228 divided by 3 equals If I have the problem 228 divided by 3 equals 76, and I want to check if this problem is true using multiplication.
Okay, let me
Hold on. We're doing it on this board first, and then you will have a chance.
Okay.
So watch here, and then you will have a chance to do your own. So 228 divided by 3 equals 76. What two numbers will I multiply to find if this problem is true? Will I do 228 times 3?
No.
What numbers will I use to multiply to find if this problem is true?
You can do the thing going
I'm not doing division, I'm using multiplication. So I want to use the quotient. What number is the quotient?
The 3. 76.
76 is the quotient. So I'm going to use 76 times the divisor. Which number is the divisor?
3.
3 is the divisor. So I'm going to use 76 times 3 to see if this answer is correct. So Melody, if I'm multiplying this, please stop. She's asked you multiple times.
What? Stop sneezing.
If I am multiplying 76 times 3, where do I start?
You start at the 6.
I'm asking Melody. 6
6
and 3. So what's 3 times 6?
12. He doesn't have it. 12.
6 times 2 is 12. 6, 12.
Now I'm done. Go on.
Anton,
15.
please start your break. 18.
Which one? Oh, yeah, there are pencils.
Okay.
Can I do the iPad thing?
Yes, it's right there.
Right here?
No, that's your iPad, the
That-
other one.
Yeah.
Okay, so now if I'm multiplying the tens place, friends, I add a 0, and now I multiply the tens. What is 3 times 7?
21.
3 times 7 is 21. So then I put my 2 in the hundreds and my 1 in the tens. Now what do I do with these numbers?
Add them together.
Add them together. So I add my 1's place with 8 plus 0.
8 plus 0 is 8.
8 plus
It's
0
gonna
is
work.
8.
It's gonna work.
What's
2.
2.
Two.
And then 2.
And 2. So if I have my numbers here, 76 times 3 is 228. So is this a true statement?
Yep.
228
Yes.
divided by 3 equals 76. It is true. So do you see how we can use multiplication? We can multiply the quotient times the divisor to see if it is a true statement. It is a true statement. Okay, now you have time to practice.
1.
You have time to practice on your own. You have to see if they are true statements.
And then we get our break.
You have time to see if it is a true statement. At the bottom of the page, you have to write yes or no. It says, is the division sentence true? Yes or no? Show your work. All the good things about you. Show your work. So there's two ways you can do it. I will put an example of the area model for this one up here too.
Standpoint. Wow. What are your standpoints? That makes no sense. Who wants an expand point? I already did that one.
Can you? Can you